Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier, and thank you for stopping by. I trust you had a good weekend. Currency markets, Euro-dollar 113.12, dollar index 97.41, having touched a 12-month high at 97.71, Japanese yen 113.47, Swissy 0.9977, the pound 125.83, the Australian dollar 0.7176, Indian rupee 71.88, South Korean won 11.3050, the real 391.73, Egyptian pound 17.952, South African rand 14.3707. Dollar index, I know a lot of commentators are turning bearish, I'm not. If the US dials back interest rate increases, everybody else is going to stop dead in their tracks. It's currently at 97.41. This chart is from T Commodity. My targets are 100, 105, and 110. Euro dollar 113.12. I'm still looking for 106. A year after the crypto bubble burst, will Bitcoin ever recover? Asks Bloomberg's Tracy Alloway. Everybody had crypto dreams. What did they think they were buying? Bitcoin was worth $3,300 on December the 11th. That's amazing, considering that the cryptocurrency was created out of nothing 10 years ago. Depressing to many because a year ago Bitcoin's value hit almost $20,000 in what could prove one of the most dramatic economic bubbles in world history. The fallout has been stark. Mr. Satoshi, the CEO, is not showing up to provide any kind of explanation. Shame, refund, lamented one frustrated crypto enthusiast online. And then talking about the path to fast wealth in the form of Lamborghinis, when Lambo began being the rallying call of the generic crypto bro. An entirely new vernacular evolved. Don't get distracted by FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Just hodl, old bro. In 2017, companies sought to take advantage of investors' sense of FOMO, fear of missing out, changed their names to include the word blockchain, and immediately saw their stock prices soar. Crypto influencers getting paid to shill for digital assets. Crypto whales were rumored to have locked up huge swathes of the market. A cult arose of Bitcoin maximalists who believe their particular digital currency will one day replace all other forms of money. Can Bitcoin and its brethren survive this sell-off? 3 times before, we've seen peaks in the price and dramatic drops only for crypto prices to improve later. The big difference this go-round is the sheer scale of the money lost, more than $700 billion, according to Coinbase. More careers on the line, hundreds of former database managers have rebranded themselves as blockchain experts. Wealth managers have pitched digital assets as a form of portfolio diversification to investors who probably deserved better advice. Market wisdom says crashes find their bottom when the last bull capitulates and sells. But what does capitulation look like for an asset that's been as much a cultural moment as an investable security? How many different dreams for Bitcoin have to die? To be trustworthy, money should be simple and boring, which Bitcoin has so far never been. Someone was always going to be disappointed. 26th of November, I wrote about Armageddon and Cryptogeddon and Bitcoin. At that time, it was trading at 3,650. I said, I think it's going right back to levels below 1,000. And I said, selling at today's levels, frankly, is still a great trade. 2nd of January, I said, I'm no longer bullish Bitcoin. In fact, I'm bearish. 27th of November, I said, Bitcoin, wow, what a ride. And I was saying it was time to get off. And 30th of December 2016, I made it my trade of the year for 2017. Gold lost at 1238.02. 1242 is the key level. Brent, this chart is from Sun Charters, but I'm noticing a few people are expecting a further wobble. The Economist is asking, can the world produce enough cobalt for electric vehicles. The only thing that can accelerate as fast as an electric car is the price of the most expensive metal in its batteries. Once a niche input used to strengthen turbine blades, cobalt's value has soared since it started to feature in modern electronics. Most phones need a few grams worth, and every car requires 5 to 10 kilograms. That adds up. Many business models are based on ample reservoirs of cobalt that experts warn do not exist. Talking about Glencore, and interesting story, Chinese battery maker Gemco has halted buying cobalt from Glencore after prices fell below the agreed level under a 3-year contract signed earlier this year. They are in the habit of reneging on contracts when the price falls away sharply. Every idea gets incrementally worse. The government of Venezuela is reportedly taking pensioners' bolivars from their accounts and replacing them with their cryptocurrency, the petro.